In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a talking avatar just like this for your YouTube videos using 100% free apps. If you want to know how, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and let's get into the video exactly how you make a talking avatar just like this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to lexica.art. Here you can see, and once you go to lexica.art, it looks a lot like Google. You can search whatever you want. So here we're going to search for an anime character. We can search for anime male portrait. You can search for anything that you want, or a particular style of person you want. There's loads of different art styles here. And then you can go and search the exact character you want, but make sure it's a front facing character. If they're off to the side, it's not going to work. You want them front facing. So I'm going to find the character that we want, and then we're going to move from there. So once you find your character, you want to click on it. You can also view different art styles of that character. So you can see here different types of art styles that you can get the same character. We want to stick with the first one here because it's front facing and it's the anime character that we want. So remember, they need to be front facing. Then you hit download. And once you've downloaded the file, we now need to remove the background. So we need to head over to a background removing website, and this is Remove BG. It's a free website that you can remove backgrounds from. So we're going to head over to Remove BG and remove the background. So once the background is removed, you're left with the character and you want to download it. If you want to download the HD version, you do need to sign up, but sign up is free, so you can just do that if you want. So choose which download file you want. Of course, if you want to download for YouTube news, it's going to be for the HD version, and sign up is free. Once you've done the background remove, you want to go over to Photopea. This is a free Photoshop-like application where we're going to remove the face. So not remove the face, we're going to remove the mouth. So you want to create a new project, 500 by 500 height, and press create. And then you want to go to file and you want to open the picture where we removed the background. Once we've opened the file, we now want to remove the face. And to make this easier, I'm just going to zoom in, and then we want to go to the spot healing tool. So the spot brush remover healing tool, and then we click on there, and then we want to remove the mouth. Make sure you get all of the mouth shadows or any facial hair that your character may have. And once we've done that, we want to go back over to file, and we're going to export as, to save our layer as a PNG. So make sure it's a PNG, and then we want to hit save. And then we want to open up our video editing software, whether that be CapCut or Filmora or any free video editing software. In my case, I'm going to do it in Filmora, but you can do this exactly in CapCut as well. So once you've opened your video editing software, you want to import your character as well as the 3D mouth that we're going to use with the green screen. You can find that on YouTube. Just do green screen mouth, and then you'll be able to see which mouth you want, and then download that video that you can then use in your video editing software. So here I've just added a character and I've resized them to fill the screen where I want. I've imported the mouth layer. You can see here the green screen layer, and I'm matching it up to the length of the video that I want to create. I then want to activate chroma key to remove the green background, and once that's done, I can now see the shape of the mouth and where it is in relation to my character. And then I want to resize it so it fits the face of the character correctly. So make sure you resize this correctly as well. Also turn up the tolerance on the chroma key, making sure you eliminate all of that green screen background. So you want to touch the layer with the mouth, and you want to position it and resize it until it looks about right for you. Make sure you play the video numerous times to make sure it looks right, and then once it looks right, you have your character, and then all you have to do is add your background and your voiceover. So here I've chosen a background from stock media within my video editing software, and I'm going to place it on the timeline. And then after I've done that, I'm going to place both the layers of the mouth and the character above that so it shows up in the back. And then all you have to do is add a voiceover, and there you have your animated character. If you've got any questions, drop them down below and I'll answer them within 48 hours. And of course, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and why not check out our other videos on the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.